This video will show you how to cancel your Crunchyroll free trial.
So this is a pretty simple step. You should go to your crunchyroll.com or the website itself. Go to right here. You should go right here. Then you should click your profile icon. Oh, I haven't logged in yet, so I'm just gonna say it to you. You should go to your profile icon in the top right corner and select my account. Under that, you can see the membership section. Find your current plan. It's either this one, or this one. Click on Cancel Free Trial or Cancel Membership. Follow the on-screen prompts. Crunchyroll might ask why you're canceling. Confirm the cancellation and you should see a confirmation message or an email. And that's it. Your free trial is now canceled and there is no charges for that.